Alright, plantar flexion and dorsiflexion goniometry. One major key is that we need the knee to be at least slightly bent, because if the knee is straight and we try to dorsiflex, that's going to stretch the gastrocnemius out. Okay, so we ideally put a bolster under the knee, just like we put bolsters under things in the past. Bolster under the knee to keep slack on that gastroc so it's not pulling when we do dorsiflexion. Okay, now you guys are probably going to find most of you are going to be a little bit short. Okay? In my experience, most people don't get as much dorsiflexion as what's normal. The sheet says, what, 20 degrees? Okay, and that's from 90. Okay, we're starting at this 90 position, so go ahead and bring your foot up. Okay, I want to be on the lateral malleolus, immovable arm parallel to the fibula, movable arm parallel to the fifth metatarsal. Okay, and now can you dorsiflex as far as you can? Okay, and so we're not even past 90. He's at 101, which is it's really negative 11 degrees. He's 11 degrees short of 90. Let's actually try a bolster. Does anyone have anything we can put down there for him? Maybe just invest in some of those bolsters. That'd be great. Just bunch it up and put it under your knee there.
It's all up to you.
We'll see if that gives us anything a little bit better. There we go. Then go ahead and lay back. Alright, so now go ahead and dorsiflex as far up as you can. We got a little bit more that way. Okay, but we're still short of 90. Okay, and again, remember, I'm not pointing at that metatarsal. I'm going parallel to that metatarsal. Okay, but I still have him, I actually have him right at 90. So he has 0 degrees of range of motion. Okay, if he were able to dorsiflex further and come back this way, that'd be positive. And we'd have to do that subtraction. Or some of you realized that there's red numbers, and those red numbers start at 0 when it's in this 90 position. And you can use those red numbers. They're just harder to see. So you can do the math or use the red ones. Okay. For plantar flexion, it's just the opposite. Go ahead and relax again. Okay. Okay. Goni starts in the same places, and then go ahead and plantar flex down as far as you can. And that's going to be quite a bit past 90. I've got him at 161, so that's 71 degrees of plantar flexion.
And where do you put the movable arm?
Same spots.
Like on the foot?
Yep, so axis, fibula, parallel to the fifth metatarsal. Okay.